Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat again. Check out this old Dodge pickup truck. I mean, it's oxidized, okay? The clear coat peeled off. But here's what I want to point out. You don't have to drive with the paint job looking like this. Even though this is exposed base coat, it's actually good base coat. The trick is to clean it and not mask it or wax it or cut it. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner, and look at what I'm gonna do. I'm simply gonna put some on there like that. Now when you use this, it's not a wax, so you don't do circles. What you do is go back and forth. You clean the same spot, and instead of cutting or masking, it'll clean. It'll remove the buildup, the contamination, the oxidation. All that comes right off, and you end up with a beautiful, original paint job. Now because it's a base coat, you'll be able to clean it, bring it out, and you can use waxes afterwards because it's not a wax, it's a cleaner. You use this to fix the paint so it'll look beautiful again. Look how pretty that came out. Wow, look at the reflection. I don't know if can you see the bottom on there? So you use this to fix your paint, to make it beautiful. It's a great product. Now, if you see paint coming off like that, it's perfectly fine. It's just that you're cleaning the paint, you're not masking it. Afterwards, you want to use like a cleaning wax. We have a wax called Easy Wax. Call and ask about it. Stuff is really good. But you can clean this paint job in sections. Okay, you don't have to get it done all in one day. But once you get this cleaned up, look how beautiful that came out. Now, you can do the entire hood like that. Okay, you can clean half of it today, whatever. Even though the clear coat right here is peeling, it doesn't matter. If you watch the other videos, you can use the you can just feather back the edges. You can use a scouring pad or some sandpaper. It's easy to do. Watch the videos on our channel. But this is Lukat Fix It. That'll fix your paint job. Guys, go to lukatdetail.com. Get yours today. Later, guys.